Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. So what you see here is an exposed T-bolt that doesn't have a cap on it. If you want to make this look better, then what you can do is cut down the T-bolt and put a cute little decorative cap just like this. Alright, this is the materials and tools list for this job. So these are the toilet caps. These are made by Master Plumber. I'm sure there's other manufacturers out there. You're going to need a hacksaw, assuming that the T-bolt is too long, and then also assuming the T-bolt is too long. I like to cut most of the way through and then use a hammer to break off the very end. But guys, this is the materials and tools list for this job. So let's conceal these T-bolts. Alright, so I'm going to remove the bolt. Now, because this toilet is also, it's cocked to the floor, because I had to do an offset floor flange, it's cocked down here. You're not going to have any issues with the toilet moving. So the ribbed side here, the bottom here is all smooth, and then the ribbed side here, you probably can't see it, but it says this side up. So it is directional, it does matter. So I'm going to put the plastic washer down, and then I'm going to put the brass washer over it. Now the plastic washer is big enough that it's not going to interfere with the brass washer. Okay, you don't want to tighten the brass washer down too much, or the nut for that matter, because you're just going to deform the plastic snap washer. So what can happen now is this can be cut down, and then this will snap on. Alright, and now the cap can be snapped on, so just put it over, give it a smack, and then that is it, you're done. So I think for the most part, brand new toilets all come with the toilet caps. I don't think there's any manufacturers that don't have them, but it'll be very common that you're going to have to cut down the end of your T-bolt. If you cut down your T-bolts is a one-shot deal at that point. You're not going to be able to reuse the T-bolt because it'll probably be too short. But guys, instead of leaving your T-bolts exposed like they were before, if you put this cap on, it'll make it look that much better. Guys, that's your quick tip of the week.